All right. I'm going to keep this real short. Good morning, everybody. I have a very busy day today, so I wasn't able to do a crypto talk this morning, and I'm not going to be able to do a crypto talk or any presentation tonight. I will be back home in this afternoon. So we covered a couple of good articles last night about the introduction of the digitized dollar in the United States, what the Fed is planning to do, and what the banks are about to do. Very, very, very important information. It's probably one of the most important articles that I've read about the future of the financial system in the United States in over 3 years. I knew this was coming, and we got the first sign of it last night, and so it was requested that I cover it again today. So once I get back sometime, maybe in the next few hours or so, I'm gonna do a crypto talk covering that. But there won't be a late night crypto talk tonight, or no up to give presentation or anything. But I want to have a special announcement for, last week I soft launched, and this has not been a full launch yet, just a soft launch of my own crypto education platform that we call 3-Course Crypto. And since I've launched that, the number one question that I've been getting from the community is, Brandon, what about those of us that bought and paid for crypto education back in the day with CryptoGenics and with KGX? Now, as you guys know, this has been a 3-year journey for us. In January 2018, we made the decision to try to create a crypto education company called CryptoGenics. And for a disclosure, I was not the co-owner of the company. I was not a CEO of the company. I was not part of corporate, but I did provide the education materials for a lot of the videos. I think maybe 27 videos, and around there, and was Bitcoin 101, cryptocurrency, crypto intermediate, and crypto advanced. And we went into pre-launch, and we never officially launched, but we had a good couple of months in the pre-launch, about March, April, and May. And we had a lot of things that we wanted to add to the program that we never actually got off the ground. Then CryptoGenics turned into KGX. KGX turned into a morph into economics, where economics had now not just cryptocurrency education, but also Forex education, financial literacy, and the whole gig economy. So it kind of went away from my main mission and passion is just crypto education. But economics was the plan for 2019. I traveled around the country, did presentations, did Bitcoin boot camps, but economics never fully launched or got off the ground. And now that we're in 2020, I know there's future plans for what economics was going to be that I'm still not allowed to share publicly. But I can no longer wait on quality crypto education to get out to the masses. Everybody keeps asking me all year. In fact, we've been waiting 2 years. So I went ahead and launched my own platform. As far as the similarities, Bitcoin 101 is about the same as far as the content, but the crypto advanced and the how to trade Bitcoin is different. I had to redo and recreate a lot of videos with that content for what I wanted to do in my platform, for my vision. So people still ask, but Brandon, we loved your videos from KGX. We paid $250 for them, and we don't have access to our videos. That even when it moved to economics, those websites and those links are down. So what about us? And I understand that. I understand. So I've been thinking about that, and then the final straw came where somebody from the UK asked me that same question again yesterday. Brandon, I paid $250 for the KGX education, and I don't have access to it. But again, I'm not KGX. They just used my content, same way Coinbit Pro used my I made videos for them how to trade on Bitcoin, and universities in Africa are using my content. So because you know, I understand that, I'm gonna have a special promo for any KGX members or Cryptogenics members from back in the day that started with us, and you made your $250 payment, but you don't have access to that. I'm going to do a special presentation tomorrow night at 9 p.m. Eastern, 6 p.m. Pacific, and I'll announce what that special promo is going to be. So if you want to, if you enjoyed my crypto education content, again, 3-course crypto is not the same. There's all 45 videos in 3-course crypto is mine. That wasn't the case as far as KGX, and they're different. But I understand. So I'm going to do a special promo. I'll make that announcement tomorrow night. It's going to be on teachmecrypto.info. teachmecrypto.info. And this promo will only be for those individuals that were in KGX. You made your payment. I understand. You know, I wish that things could have gone the way we would have liked them to go, and we could have launched, and we could have really had things moving forward. I'm positive on the direction from that platform that might be in the future. I just don't know when that's going to take place. But I have my own platform that I'm making available for everybody, and we're also going to talk how you can make money with it. That's one of the main key things people ask as well. Says, yeah, I love the education. Now it's taught me how to implement it, but is there a way I can make money with the platform? And we're going to talk about that tomorrow. And I do want to make one point very clear, that my platform is not network marketing. It is not crypto or MLM. It is not a binary. It is not a matrix. It is not a unilevel. There is no recruiting. You know, recruiting to make money. That's not what my platform is all about. It is learning to earn. And but I do have an affiliate program. One tier, you refer somebody, I'll give you a referral bonus. The platform for all 3 products costs $500. $200 independently. So originally my idea was because what is still similar is Bitcoin 101. I mean, that's the history of Bitcoin and blockchain. That information doesn't change. The others are different, but Bitcoin 101 is basically the same. So I was telling people all last week, you know, if you've already had that, then you don't have to pay for Bitcoin 101. Just get the other courses. But my courses is $200 for each. But I'm going to do something special. So we're going to make that announcement tomorrow, and it will be a promo that I'll run from the 15th, which is, tomorrow the 16th, until the end of the month. Maybe I'll go longer, depending on word getting out, because most people in KGX Cryptogenics have scattered to the wind. They're all off doing everything else underneath the sun, and they have no idea that I even launched my own platform. So when word starts to get out, they may come back and want the same promo. So I'll see about that at the end of the month. But tomorrow night, 9 p.m. Eastern, 6 p.m. Pacific, if you had members on your team as well that were that bought KGX product and you don't have access to it, you might want to have them hop on my presentation tomorrow. Again, 9 p.m. Eastern, 6 p.m. Pacific. Again, I'm out of the pocket today. I'll be home briefly this afternoon to do a quick crypto talk. Then I got to head out again, and I won't be back until tomorrow. So just be prepared. Wanted to get that word out. I got something for you guys. I know you guys have been hitting me up for that. And Brandon, what happened to my KGX? Brandon, what's going on? I'm not KGX. I don't control the platform. I don't control the links or any of that stuff. But I understand your pain, and you want access. See, the beautiful thing about our audio and video platform is that you can come back and watch it at any given time. So we'll talk about that tomorrow. You guys take care. See you in a couple hours. Bye-bye.